Hello, my lovely anatomists and physiologists. Michele Glass here. Welcome to another Chapter 6 video. We're talking here about bone formation. We're talking about the OG of bone formation, right? So we're talking about during our fetal development. So we're going to get what we can refer to here as an embryonic skeleton forming. And this we'll see develops from either fibrous membranes or hyaline cartilage. So we basically get a template or a framework laid down by either fibrous membrane or hyaline cartilage, so no bone yet. And then what we see happening at about 6 to 8 weeks of development, we get the model replaced. So it's not that cartilage turns into bone. It's not that fibrous membranes turn into bone, as in first they were cartilage and then they're bone. It's that the cartilage gets removed and replaced with bone. It's that the fibrous membrane gets removed and replaced with bone. And so we see that, again, this can have two names depending on whether you started with the fibrous membrane. Let's do it that way. So the fibrous membrane, excuse me, just a second. If you started with this fibrous membrane, then you're going to do a process called intramembranous ossification. And if you started with the hyaline cartilage, you're going to do a process called endochondral ossification. Now, what bones are going to start out as fibrous membranes and be converted to bone through intramembranous ossification? That's going to be flat bones of face, cranial bones, and clavicles. So the hyaline cartilage framework being converted to bone through endochondral ossification, or instead of converted, remember, let's say replaced, will be the dominant, most prevalent type. So all of the rest of the bones are going to be formed through endochondral ossification. So stay tuned for a video on each one of these. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.